Market is almost open. Checking out the higher time frames. Got the 4-hour chart. Got the 60-minute chart. Just bounced down off of the overnight open. We had a gap. Here's yesterday's close. Here's the overnight open. That's why I like having both of these lines on my chart. Both of these orange lines. When they're far apart, there's a gap. When they're close together, no gap. Just had a little hold up right at one of the high volume lines we did earlier too. MMT key level volume line. This chart, more experimentation. Had a triple MA cross and a delta wave to the downside pre-market. Had some delta waves to the upside. Just wicked off of the overnight open. Got a triple X moving average crossover signal on this candle. Pulled back to the 20, wicked off of the 20. Headed down to the next area on the key levels. Bouncing a little bit off of yesterday's New York open. This is the Heiken Ashley experiment. Got some nice red, some nice green, some nice red. Just got a little long on the Bulenox. Just looking at this area on the chart. How many times it's wicked right off of this area here. There's also about the 50% mark of this wick back here, which might be a new feature coming to the key levels indicator. Getting a little hold up at S1. Popping up off of yesterday's low. Had a lot of strong delta coming in this morning. Experimentation signals looking good today. A little short dot, a little short dot, a long arrow. These are some price action trades that I've come up with. One of these concepts came to me while I was hiking or driving a couple days ago. Been testing it out. It's been working really good. Sometimes I just get ideas that pop in my mind and I try them out, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But these seem to be pretty good. This arrow signal worked very nicely. It's retracing pretty quick here. Wonder if we're gonna do a full-on reversal. Nice rejection right off of this MMT key level volume line. I was tempted to take that, but it looked like it was just ripping to the upside. Got 5 delta diamonds in a row. Starting right here, the lowest point. We had positive delta coming in non-stop all the way back up to the 20. The ultimate delta is painting the candle colors on this chart. You can see I've got many trading opportunities that come throughout the day. I don't take every single one of them. I'm being patient. I'm waiting for the best of the best, whatever that may be on any given day. We've gotten a nice V-shaped reversal coming up hot all the way up to this volume line. Pulled back to yesterday's open. Candle started turning green on the triple X. We made it pretty much back up to VWAP. Got a bunch of key levels up here. Pivot point, high volume level. Yesterday's point of control. Yesterday's close, London open. Got a little bit of a pullback here. Got a red arrow signal on the experimental chart. This up move's got some strength. Let's see what happens. VWAP has been holding. I've gotten in a couple of little baby scalps. Just got one as we're pulling down off of VWAP here. Got a big old juicy candle. The delta wave to the downside. Had a little mini pullback. Started wicking. Got a little short in. We had a bunch of delta coming in on that candle too. Heiken Ashley had turned red. Then we got a flat butt. Heiken Ashley signified by this red dot. I got into a long here looking to test VWAP. It just was not moving fast enough and I hopped out just for a couple of ticks. But we had the triple X, triple moving crossover signal. We got delta picking up. Heiken Ashley firing green. We had rejected off of the 20 SMA. Looked ripe for a retest of VWAP. We have not gotten a close above VWAP yet. We just wicked off of VWAP. I've got this delta wave signal to the upside, but conflicting price action. Got a wick right off of these key levels here. I want to see it break above the top of this wick if I'm going to think about longs. There's another delta wave, just broke above VWAP, headed to this next cluster of key levels. Just came up to the pivot point, rejected, just bounced down over 20 points back to the VWAP. Been hugging this VWAP area. We are just chilling right at VWAP still. Just got into another long. We had a nice close above VWAP, had a triple X signal, had a delta wave signal, and look at all this delta coming in. We had some more extreme delta coming in, but price was just not moving quick enough. It was kind of just whipping around, hovering around VWAP still, so I didn't let it ride to the full target, but I got a little bit kind of copy traded, a little strange on the other accounts, but green is green. Puts me up over 700 now, 84%. Now we're getting the push. Just a bunch of strong delta coming in here. We got delta waves, we got delta diamonds, we got Heiken Ashi, got the triple X, triple moving average crossover signal, triple X green candles. I've had a good morning so far. I think I'm gonna call it early. It's 10 minutes till 10:30. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. There's links to all the prop firms that I'm trading with in the description. Some good sales going on. There's also links to the indicators that I'm trading with. Got the MMT Ultimate Delta, the MMT Triple X, the MMT Key Levels, and then I'm using the volume profile and these order buttons and VWAP. Those are from NINZA. There's also links to NINZA with the best coupon code available for NINZA. Code MonkeyMan gets you the best price even if they're having a crazy sale. Get you an even deeper discount. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.